It's so loud. Hello, people. We are hired. The residents of a building are traveling for holidays. In order for the cats not to be alone and unattended, don't leave any cats behind. Discord. The owner of this building is rich, huh? What is this? Cats? What do I do with these cats? Oh! That's so cute! A building full of cats was made by deaf cats. Okay, let's check that out later. Oh, wait, 0. Oh. There's nothing there. That's the outside. That's why it's 0. I mean... Okay. Grandma taught me to love cats. So, we're gonna find all the cats here. Oh, easy. Cat. Wait, what? What are we looking for? Besides the cats, are we looking for other things? I'm not gonna press the door because it's just gonna... Is that a cat? It is a cat. Cat. Oh. Cat? No, that's flowers. Cat. This is like much of a more chill game than others, but you just have to find the cats. That's the purpose of the game, which is really cute. Or is it interactive? It's a little interactive with the items around it, the area. The cat's gone. Did I find all? Here. Oh, here. What are green supposed to mean? What are those supposed to mean? Okay. Wait, what? What's that supposed to happen? So we found 16 cats. 1. Oh! So there's 15 cats in here? Oh, there. Oh, that's like the countdown. Wait, what? So the search, I don't know what it was, so I just pressed it. $15? I need to look for 15 more cats. Where are you? I'm really bad at looking for cats here. Wait, can I go to another room? No, it's just the same place. 14. I can do this. Believe. Cat. Is that a cat? That looks like a cat. One inside the trunk. I feel like I'm gonna miss something if I don't look very hard. That cat's so small. It could be smaller than that, which is interesting. I don't think I'll be able to see them. I'm looking very closely. Oh shit, you can actually enter the fucking room. Are you kidding me? I was like, I know there's no more. Find Fofinio. We found Fofinio. Oh my god, we're smart. Is that a cat? I thought that would look a cat. Huh, one more. And then three more blues. I hope it's romantic, all mine. Where are you hiding? Please show yourself. I need one more kitty. And then we're done. We're through. No, I think 4 more. Here. Here. Dude, I know it! Inside the toilet, cabinet, door, knob, this, glass, towels, maybe towels. This one? Oh. I know a shape when I see one. Maybe not here anymore. Okay, let's go back there. My god, there you are. Let's go back there. Find all hidden cats in the first floor. The only missing one is the last one. Ayun! Haha. Ah, my god. That took me like 10 minutes to... Let's go. Level 2. Save the earth. Anything that resembles a cat, we must click. One's outside, one's under here. 2 cats. I'm looking for a fur ball. It could be everywhere, honestly. I might have missed one already. That vent was already suspicious from the get-go, so I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna check you later. Get back to this, guys. Thank you for the tissue. Ghost cat. Find all hidden cats in the second floor. Oh, did it. He ran away. They're so small, what? That's unfair. What is the other one? You can use the hint. I actually get hints. 1 hint per floor. Nah. Final 50 cats in the 2nd floor. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Cats are mystical. Indeed. This floor is not helping. Is that a dog? Is that a fish? This is trippy. This is very much trippy. I don't like it. It makes... What? What? Horse. Cats could be everywhere, honestly. Okay, writing it down. That's a dog. That. Cats. Mouse. Books. Is that a cat? What's that now? Mm-hmm. Eight more. Fuck. Ghost cat. Wait, I already saw him. I just didn't click. What the? I thought I saw him earlier, but I didn't. Oh, there. Haha. Oh my god. No, we need the other one. The last one. It's just too small. Da, 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 da. I need help. 4. Ba-bum. Ba-bum. Cats rock. What the hell? Oh my god. There you go. I'm pressing everything just in case. Pressing everything. There's always one remaining. But all hitting 4th floor. Okay. One more. Where are you? It's always the last one that's so hard to find. But they're like actually in your face. You just can't find it. Oh, there you go. God, dying. 5th floor. Cat classic. Wow, okay. 50. We got this. Ah ha ha. Is that a capybara? Oh wait, I went out. Are those cats? Oh no. They just look like cats. Something hanging. Switches. Oh my god, I almost not see that. Look at the swimming. What the hell? What? Mission Impossible. That's so cute. Oh my god, one in the litter box. You check everything. I can miss some here. So it's so sketchy. Why is it like there's so little cats here? One more. I think that's for all of them. I feel like I'm missing someone here. Let's go back. There. What? He did not show up earlier. Oh, he's the one that like hides and goes. Oh. Final 50 gets the 5th floor. And then the last one that hides somewhere. Okay, let's take a hint. What? What? I won't be able to see that. Are we done? We're done! What's this? Bonus round! We appreciate a bonus round. Okay. Cats. 15 cats. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14. Oh wait, what? 13? I hope it's romantic all my life. There you are. 6th floor, technically. Hey. Okay, we did it. We did it. Okay, I'll play the second one on another. We found everyone. That's nice. Let's see the credits here. Mr. Fufino, Judy, Lily, oh Giovanni, Lino. A building full of cats was made by dev cats, making perfect games. Life is better with cats. Adopt, don't shop. Indeed. Okay, that's it for me.